If you have carpet and furniture, upholstery cleaning services are a must at least once a year. You'll not only get rid of harmful allergens and bacteria, but also prolong the life of your items and save money in the long run. Keep watching for some of the benefits of upholstery cleaning services. Long-term savings. The more you take care of your furniture, the longer it will last. And the longer contaminants stay on your furniture, the harder it gets to remove them. Regular upholstery cleaning helps keep your furniture looking good for a long time. It also helps prevent damage and stains from ruining your furniture's appearance. Working with a professional carpet cleaner ensures that protectants are added to prolong the life of your furniture. In many cases, cleaners found in nearby stores can affect your fabrics. This leads to severe damage to your couch if not used properly. So, to avoid all these issues, hire professional cleaners as they use suitable cleaning detergents. Upholstery cleaning may seem like an unnecessary expense, but ignoring it may actually cost you more in the long run. Air quality. Upholstery can absorb smells over time, making your furniture release unpleasant odors. Pets aren't the only cause of foul odor on furniture and carpets. Cooking smells and cigarette smoke also gets trapped in the fibers. Several products in your house mask these smells with fragrance. However, the odors will return after a short period, leaving the issue unresolved. An upholstery cleaning company thoroughly eliminates the odors from the fabric. This leaves everything in the house smelling fresh for a long time. Dust, dander, and pet hair that settle into upholstery fibers can be stirred up into the air each time somebody sits on the sofa. As these elements build up, they cause respiratory issues and allergens. Upholstery cleaning goes deep into the fibers of your sofa. It removes pollen, dander, and dust that can cause health issues. Eliminating the allergens leads to better air quality in your home and healthier life for you and your loved ones. Appearance. Once dirt and debris amass on your furniture for a long time, your house is left looking dirty and dull. That can make you feel ashamed when visitors are reluctant to sit on your furniture. Professional cleaning experts can easily remove spills and stains from your furniture. Their skills, equipment, and products facilitate them in handling the cleaning tasks excellently. Regular couch cleaning helps restore the fibers, and the seats maintain their original pleasing appearance. When you leave your sofas dirty for too long, their beautiful appearance may not be restored. Safer cleaning practices. Professional upholstery cleaners have taken a significant shift in the last few years due to the emphasis on environmental protection. They have incorporated sustainable cleaning services that minimize environmental impact. The detergents and machines that they use have no harmful effects on your pets and are not coercive. Working with these experts will help protect your kids and animals from being exposed to harmful chemicals. Affordability. Most upholstery cleaning companies don't use manual tactics, which are laborious and time-consuming. They have the right machines and products for the task. This allows them to clean your furniture and carpets within the least time possible. Besides, these experts will give you tips on how to take care of your sofas and rugs. If your upholstery isn't looking as appealing as it used to, look for experts you can rely on. At AJS Carpet Cleaning, we provide service to most cities within a 75-mile radius of Orem, Utah. Contact us today to see if we can help you with your carpet cleaning needs or get an estimate. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.